How to add contacts in Zoho Mail. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Zoho Mail app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to add contacts in your Zoho Mail account, you need to go to the contact section. Here in this home page at the top left, you can see the three lines icon. Tap on it. Now again in the top left corner, you can see the contacts icon. Select that. Now that you're in the contact space, in order to add a new contact, you can simply tap on this plus button in the bottom right. It will prompt you to the add contact page. Over here, you can provide the contact information in order to add them. You can enter their first name, their middle name, last name. You can even provide their nickname. You can add their email address. You can add their phone number. You can add their website if they have any. You can also edit their birthday, their gender. You can update their address. So you can go through it and fill up the information accordingly. Once you're done, you can tap on the tick mark in the top right. So that's how you can easily add contacts in Zoho Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.